Scam School Remix. One of the first episodes we did with Diamond Jim Tyler is one of our most popular. Get ready to use magic and sorcery to get the girl's phone number. Suppose you could just ask her. That'd probably be more effective.
You're going to enter some numbers. You're going to add, subtract. You're going to have a big number at the end. And I'm going to make a prediction now as to what that number is going to be. Hold on to this.
Yes. Put it under your phone. Put your phone on it and then put the beer on it. Balance it all.
You're going to enter parts of your phone number because there's no way that I can know that.
Right.
All right? Like, for instance, I don't want you to enter the area. What's the area code of your cell phone number? Don't put the calculator. Okay. Enter the first 3 numbers in your cell phone number.
Okay.
Multiply that number by 80. And every time you do a calculation, when I add, subtract, whatever, always hit equals after, just in case.
Okay.
Okay?
That's good.
Now what I'd like you to do is add 1 to that, just to make it more random.
Okay.
And multiply by 250.
It's a very big number.
Whatever the last 4 numbers are in your phone number, put those into the calculator.
So wait, add them in?
Add them in.
Add them.
Even bigger.
Put the last 4 of your phone number in again. Now I want you to subtract 250. Last time you multiply by 250, we're going to have you subtract. And when you hit equals, should be a big number on your screen.
A big ass number.
And I'm just curious, I've made the prediction already. I just want to see what that number is. That's a huge number. For the first time, if you would, take a look at the prediction. And what was the prediction?
11 million.
541.
Okay, I was like way off, right?
I did that, or I did the math wrong.
No,
See, you're so sweet. You're pretending like maybe I don't know how to handle a
You know
calculator.
what's funny?
You know?
Like, yeah, because you only need 7 digits though to do the trick.
Does it ruin it if you add 8 digits?
It won't work.
So it's got to be just the 7 digits.
It's got to be the 7 digits. So you don't want them to accidentally put in the area code, but you need to know the area code if you're going to call them.
Yes, correct.
Right? So the way I work that in is I say, don't put in your area code. For example, what is your area code? And she said,
of course. Yeah, so you wouldn't put that in.
Right.
Although
and so
let
now
me tell
I know
you,
it.
even if you don't call, it's obvious from the reaction that this is amazing. We just hand back their freaking number. That was amazing.
First, you make your prediction.
Yes, your fake prediction.
Your fake prediction. You just put down a big ass random number.
Double-digit million.
Yeah, million numbers. And they hold on to it. And then you ask them to enter the first 3 digits of their cell phone number into a calculator. And then they multiply by 80.
Okay.
80.
Times 80.
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Times 250. And then they enter the last 4 of their cell phone number. And then they enter the last 4 of their cell phone number again. So it just looks to be random.
Yep.
Random. And then they subtract 250. And I always put in my pattern that, remember last time you multiplied.
Right.
I don't want them to think they added it, subtracted it.
Oh, because there are some math tricks that it's like, pick a number, add 100, now subtract 100.
Right.
That's your number.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
You have them look at the prediction. First, you take a look at what they've, the sum that they've come up with.
Now
that's in the millions.
This is the part that I like, is that the journey to get there is so convoluted. People think, well, this is all messed up stuff. And then you get to the end, you have that triumphant, like, ha-ha.
And so they read the prediction, and while they're doing that, all you do is hit divide by 2. And when you hit divide by 2, it puts their phone number across the screen for you. You're looking at this, you see the number, and then you call attention to the prediction. And while they're doing that, you have plenty of time to be entering their phone number into your cell phone. If you want it to be a complete mystery, just put it down, call them, their phone will ring, and you're like, who is that? Go ahead and answer it.
Right.
And then I say my stock line, hey baby, this works better than my place. But if you want them to be astonished and amazed, just set it in front of them, and when they see their phone number on their screen, they're like, where did that come from? How did he come up with that result?
Diamond Jim Tyler's a national treasure, and his Bamboozlers books are incredible. We've got them over at scamstuff.com. That's gear for the modern rogue. Each book is small enough to fit in your pocket, yet jam-packed with so much awesome Scam School goodness. You're gonna love these books. You're gonna love the free drinks they earn you. Scam School Remix is the best of 10 years and 500 plus episodes of Scam School. Can you believe it's been that long? Each episode is time compressed so that you learn the maximum amount of knowledge in the minimum amount of time and using a modicum of momentariness. I just needed more M's to fill that out. Look, I feel better having said it. Whether you feel better, it's germane to the conversation, but it's not of primary interest. The point is, watch all. Watch all?